the current computer generation, the data you have or generated with your hard work and research is everything. Excel is a very easy way to keep a record of every detail. Your data can be viewed and edited by public. It can even be confidential, which should not be edited by anyone other than you or even should not be seen by anyone. Now, data protection is of a highest priority. Excel gives you a wide range of options to protect your workbook and worksheets, giving you a complete control on your Excel data. Whether you want to allow your readers only to read your report or allow to edit a part or complete workbook or don't want them to see your reports at all. We will see how to protect worksheet and workbook. To do so, click on File tab under Save As. Under Other Location, select Browse. Select on the Tools drop-down, select on the General options. Here it will ask for a password. Select a password for password to open and password to modify. We'll use the same password 1234 for open and modify. To check how the password works, open a new workbook, then click on the File tab. Under Open, click on the saved file. It will ask for the password. Enter the password 1234. It will again ask for a password. This time it is to write on the original workbook. If you would remember, we had clicked on the option Password to modify. If the content of the Excel sheet has to be only read without doing any changes to the original workbook, click on Read Only. Now in this case, if the workbook is saved, it won't be saved in the original workbook. For the time being, we will enter the password. Now this is our protected file. We'll see how to protect a workbook. Under Review tab, select Protect Workbook. Enter the password. We'll enter the password 1234. It will ask to re-enter the same password. We'll re-enter 1234. Now your workbook is protected. We'll see how to protect a worksheet. To do so, right click on the tab, click on Protect Worksheet. Now enter the password to unprotect sheet. We will use the password 1234. It will ask to re-enter the same password. Now the sheet is protected. Now if you try to enter inside any cell, you will not be allowed. And to remove the same protection, right click on the tab, click on Unprotect Sheet. How to protect as read only file. To do so, click on the File tab under Save As. Under Other Location, select Browse. Select the Tools drop down, select the General options. Here, click on Read Only Recommended. Save the file. Now open the saved file. It will give you a message. This is a read only message. It states that the author would like you to open this file as read only unless you need to make any changes. How to mark as final. To do so, click on the File tab under Protect Workbook, select Mark as Final. This workbook will be marked as final and then be saved. Microsoft will give you a message which states that once the property is set as final, typing, editing, and proofing marks are turned off. An icon marked as final will be displayed in the status bar. Now, if you want to edit the mark as final file, click on this Edit Anyways button. You can try using passwords on your workbook and worksheets. Now, if you have any questions, write in the comments below and I will reply to them as soon as I can. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe with everyone.